are good. But you know, God is always with us, and they have no power over that. That's good, but keep your mind open, okay? Not black magic, yeah.
Ito yung ito dito eh.
Maybe. How's the window shower? I just woke up with the fresh sun. 7:40 and full day ahead. Hi Ronald, window shopping is good. Great! You can come visit me in the US. Why not come to the Philippines?
I-charge mo na yan.
Anthony, hi. Beautiful angels, thank you. Hi Michael. Good morning, Block.